So this is Preve, and this is my day ahead. Preve has pulled in my calendar and patients from Clinico or Nookle. Let's start a session with my next patient, Alex. As Alex updates me on how she's been progressing with her lumbar disc injury, Preve captures the important information and filters out anything that's not relevant. I also have the option to add typed notes down here if there's something important that I really want to reinforce, but talking through your assessment and treatment out loud will capture everything regardless. And if I want to note down something for myself that I don't want shared with Alex, then I can do it here in the private notes box. On the right is my AI assistant that reminds me of everything important from my last session with Alex. It tells me the last measurements, the exercises that I've prescribed that need reviewing, and it even reminds me to ask her how her nephew's birthday party was, which is pretty handy when you're seeing 50 patients per week. These items are automatically marked as green once Preve hears me discussing them with the patient. I update Alex's treatment plan towards the end of every session to ensure she has the most up-to-date content in her patient recovery platform. Now watch the magic happen. Preve is updating her plan with all the latest content from this appointment. The diagnosis, patient goals, progress measures, important appointments that she needs to book in, all of her exercises, do's, don'ts, and tasks. Now, if I've forgotten to give her specific instructions on anything, then Preve will even make recommendations like the sets or reps of an exercise to do. And of course, everything is editable quickly and done in seconds. Once I've reviewed the plan, I can simply finish the session. In the background, Preve is now magically generating Alex's version of the plan, as well as my clinical notes. I can then review the notes and make any edits, and I can also create a document, such as a referral or a progress letter, to send to a doctor in seconds. And importantly, that will be based on not just today's appointment, but the context from all of the relevant appointments that I've had with Alex. I can then save the session to review later, or I can send instantly to Alex's phone. My notes have now automatically saved to Clinico. Now, let me show you what the patient receives. The treatment plan is clear, simple, and gives Alex everything she needs to stay motivated. An overview of her diagnosis, exercises, which are marked as done daily, with clear instructions, all of her do's and don'ts, her goals and treatment objectives, and her outcome measures are not just based on today's results, but where we expect her to be in that next milestone. And importantly, all of the sessions that she needs to book in order to recover properly. So that's the basics of Preve. Save time and give your patients more with less effort.